Cryptocurrency has ignited the interest of beginners and traders around the world. Keeping the volatility of cryptocurrency, only the natural risk takers have the guts to invest in it. Therefore, the online buying and selling of crypto come into being by newbies and experts in the field. Crypto exchanges are that particular space where owners create an account to initiate the trading process. Crypto exchanges act as an intermediary between a buyer and a seller and make enough money through transaction fees and commission. In other words, crypto exchange is a platform that plays a role in facilitating the trading of cryptocurrency for other assets. The assets include fiat money as well as digital currencies. Centralized crypto exchanges to the rescue. The centralized crypto exchanges are more likely to be reliable as it is controlled and operated by a company. Moreover, centralized crypto exchanges are mostly referred to as crypto exchanges. The decentralized crypto exchanges do not facilitate the trading of fiat currency with the cryptocurrency. For the same reason, the workability of centralized crypto exchanges will be discussed in detail. The centralized crypto exchanges are highly accepted and used globally. It is also known as a stock exchange where crypto trading takes place for fiat to crypto or crypto to crypto. The exchange works as a bank where investors keep their money. How crypto exchanges work? While we are on the subject of crypto exchanges, having a thorough knowledge of workability is essential. Therefore, let us understand how crypto exchanges work. The buyer can deposit money in the exchange through direct bank transfer, debit card, credit card, or UPI. The crypto exchanges charge a transaction fee or a commission every time a trade occurs. To do this successfully, the user is expected to find a workable crypto exchange that suits his needs. The proper online exchange has a diverse range of features, which will be discussed in the following section. The user should perform detailed research about the platform's history, benefits, credibility, transaction fees, and other traits. After that, one should open a trading account by first downloading the app of the exchange. The creating account process demands an email address and some other basic information. A verification email is sent to the email afterward, and the user is supposed to give the KYC, Know Your Customer, details. The KYC comprises ID card verification, document verification, face verification, proof of address, biometric verification, etc. As soon as the KYC process is concluded, place the password on the application. Get ready to be a part of the cryptocurrency world afterward. It is also important to note that one should remember the crypto exchange and crypto wallet passwords to avoid any inconvenience as they might never be recovered. Considerations before picking out a crypto exchange. There is a diverse range of pointers that should be kept in mind before selecting the suitable one. For starters, beginners might want to consider the crypto offerings of the exchange. Most centralized cryptocurrency exchanges handle as low as 10 and as high as 1,000 cryptos. It all comes down to the user's need and objectivity. The next factor that affects the crypto exchange selection is security. You need to look for security features such as two-factor authentication, 2FA, encryption, and cold storage. Additionally, review the transaction fees in detail. One significant factor is availability. Most crypto exchanges are international, while others are national. Keep an eye out for a suitable exchange as companies are undergoing the updating system regularly. Most crypto exchanges develop a workable wallet to keep your crypto holdings, and the process becomes highly effortless. However, if your holdings exceed a fair amount, accessing another external cold wallet would be a good idea. An added security would be offered to your crypto by all means. The mobile app of the crypto exchange should be robust and user-friendly. Otherwise, making trades would be a complicated process. Moreover, research a crypto exchange that offers good customer service. Good customer service means that one can get their problems solved and trade would be performed flawlessly. Benefits of centralized crypto exchanges. Centralized crypto exchanges provide the user with a friendly way of carrying out the trading process. The usage of crypto wallets and peer-to-peer transactions is a complex procedure, but the users of centralized crypto exchanges offer ease and nothing else. You are supposed to log into the crypto exchange accounts, view the account balances, and get done with the transactions in seconds. Another advantage of a centralized crypto exchange is its reliability. It comes up with an extra layer of protection and security when you have to undergo the process of trading or transactions. The centralized system enhances the levels of comfort multifold. Cons of usage of crypto exchanges. However, crypto exchanges are often vulnerable to getting hacked and getting targeted by fraudulent parties. The storage of cryptocurrency safely is also becoming difficult as compared to the owners of bonds and shares. The volatility and risk factors of cryptocurrency would always pose a threat to the investor. Additionally, cold storage poses a threat to the crypto holders as there is a threat of losing the private key. If the private key is lost, assessing the cryptocurrency would be a challenge. Most governments see crypto as a threat instead of innovation, and regulators can easily crack down on the crypto industry. Final thoughts about crypto exchanges. The market offers a wide range of centralized crypto exchanges. Some of the most workable fields are Kraken, Coinbase, eToro, Gemini, and KuCoin. All beginners should research the crypto exchange that suits their workability. It would help them launch into the world of cryptocurrency effortlessly.